Okay. Now, so how can we influence EPCs by email? Right? How can we influence EPCs by email? Once again, I'm going to take you back to this very same offer. Right? I guess you can tell, right, that let's say I don't know anything about the product, but let's say it's not even a great product. Would you say that so far this person is doing an awesome job at recruiting affiliates, at making it easy for affiliates? So if you say he's doing a great job of doing that, put number 2 in the question box. Right? So yeah, he is. And again, I don't know this person personally. I don't know anything about this product. I didn't promote it because I don't necessarily have people that purchase software. But at the same time, though, you can emulate what this person does in whatever you're doing in your product launch. Right? So this is how you can influence your EPCs by email. Let's take a look, a little deeper of a look. And what can I do to help the process? We talked about the fact that one of the things you can do is you can give your person swipes, right? So again, what's he doing for his JVs? He's giving them swipes, right? So he's got a swipe here to pre-sell, swipes with various angles. Remember, we talked about that. Winning swipes, local marketing, affiliate marketing, video marketing, right? So he's got lots of swipes here to help his affiliate, right? And basically what the affiliate is supposed to be able to do then is they can then take this information and put it in their email, but he has given them content to put in their email because who knows this product better than they do? Nobody, right? I don't care how good of a review you can do. You won't know it as well as the person who created it. And so what they did was they sat down and they wrote swipes for the people who are going to be promoting. Now, I think I might also have the email of someone promoting. Let me just take a look here. I'm going to try to find that here for you. I'm going to do this off screen. And I might even have someone who is promoting this product. And if I do, we will be in luck. Let's see if I have this here. Okay, let's see, e-com affiliate sites. Okay, let's see if I can find it in here. Let's do HQ webinars. Okay, so here's a web. So here are a couple of people who are promoting this product, right? Here's one right here. Now again, once again, you're going to see that you can benefit from having some of these emails available to you and being able to look at them, right? So now here's what one person did. Right? Here's what another person did. I don't know if they used a swipe or not. Right? This is one person. And I'll almost bet that this person used the swipes. Right? So here's what this person did. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the swipe. All right, let's take a look at the swipe. Okay, yeah, see? Very similar. Right? So basically, this person, and they were able to make it into the inbox, right? I don't even do that. I would never take a swipe. But this person basically took the swipe that they got from here, right? So what are they doing? They are helping their affiliates to make more sales. What does that do? That helps their affiliates again to get to make more sales, so that their EPCs will be higher. To do what? To attract more affiliates who don't know them personally. Right? So this is one of the ways that they are achieving this very high EPC. Now let me kind of go back here. This is how they're getting such a high EPC. They've gone through a lot of trouble to make this easy for the JVs to promote them. Right? Again, this is very possible for you to do with any launch. Right? At this point, you now have enough information to make your launch more effective. If you just copied some of what you've just seen here, you can make any of your launches more effective, right? By giving your affiliates something easy for them to put in their emails based on your knowledge of it to help them to convert their buyers. Right now, I personally do not use swipes, but that's fine, right? But someone who maybe doesn't know the product as well, or maybe not do a review, they would then really benefit from having this information.